What is up, guys?
Action!
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making pizza again, but with a twist, a little twist. We are going to make, I don't know how many, but we are going to make mini pizzas. Not that small, like size small. If you eat pizza a lot, you get me. If you know, you know. And because of time, we already prepared the ingredients. We made the sauce, we made the chicken breasts, the dough. Yeah. If you want to see the tutorial of making the sauce, it's homemade, guys. Just, you know what to do. You know what to do. Comment down below. Good boy, I love you. And just for that, just say thank you.
Thank you.
Just for that, we thank you if you commented. So there's also two more things we need to ask you to do. Please, to support our channel. We would ask you to subscribe and like this video and share it so that we could get more views. Thank you.
Okay, now you want it faster.
Let me put for you some flour.
I remember that game I was playing, that puppy game. I was good. Now I am good.
Continue, Baba. Good boy. What are you doing?
Making pizza.
All right. Continue.
I can do it faster now. I'm making a big pizza.
Roll this side.
I'm making a big pizza. It's been big for everyone.
All right, roll that side. Okay.
Lift it up. And then place it over there. Then we're going to fix it well. And that spoon. Pick some, then put it on your pizza. I wanna put some more.
On your pizza.
You need help?
No,
Okay.
she's done.
Mine's going to have minced meat.
Meat and then chop. But not cook. You don't know. Another one left.
Top cheese, Keith.
Can I taste?
What?
I burnt.
Okay. It's hot.
Yes. Good
You guys, in next video, we'll try to make it about the two chefs of the house. We're trying to make it about the two chefs of the house, but I hope you enjoyed the pizza. Have a bite.